HP Ink Tank Wireless 419 Wi-Fi Setup Guide. Follow these steps to connect your printer to a Wi-Fi network and enable wireless printing. Option 1. Set up using HP Smart App. Recommended. Step 1. Prepare the printer. Turn on the printer. Make sure the Wi-Fi light is blinking. If it's not blinking, press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button together for 3 seconds to reset wireless settings. Step 2. Download the HP Smart App. On your smartphone or computer, install the HP Smart App, HP Smart for Android, iOS, or search HP Smart in the App Store or Google Play. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. Open the HP Smart App. Tap Add Printer. Choose your HP Ink Tank Wireless 419. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light will stop blinking and remain solid blue. Option 2. Set up using WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup. Step 1. Confirm WPS support. Make sure your router supports WPS. Check for a WPS button. Step 2. Use WPS push-button method. Press and hold the wireless button on the printer for 3 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. The printer will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi light will turn solid blue when connected. After Wi-Fi setup, add the printer on your computer or mobile device. On Mac, System Settings. Printers and Scanners. Add Printer. On Windows, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers, Add Device. On HP Smart App, your printer should now appear and be ready. Troubleshooting tips. If setup fails, restart your printer, router, and device, then try again. Use the HP Smart App to print a network configuration page for detailed connection info. Keep the printer close to the router during setup for a stronger signal. For more updates, subscribe our channel The Printer Zone.